How to post on Facebook groups without admin's approval. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to post anything on Facebook groups without any admin's approval. So for that, just open your Facebook account and then log into your account and search for the name of the group that you want to join on the search bar, and after that just click on the groups from the top menu, and here just select the option for public groups, and now you will see the list of the groups in the same criteria that you have searched for, and all the groups that you see in this particular feed are all the public groups where there is no restriction on the user to send anything or talk about anything that they want. So you can also join any of the group that you like, post anything in the group without the admin's approval. You can even go ahead and join the group without the need of the admin to approve your joining in the particular group. So this is how simple it is to do it. So this way you will be able to post on Facebook groups without admin's approval. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.